There's the rain sensor installed on top of the fence for this garden of perennials. We've got station 1 for these planters, station 2 for perennials, and station 3 for the veggies. Tomatoes are ready. Station 3, we got the valve manifold here. 3 valves, filter, shut off, timer down here. Extra hose bib. So there wasn't one out here. We did the main line for the copper. There's these other planters. Copper line going all the way along the fence, going down to the floor and up to another hose bib, and then the connection point. And they're going to put a hot tub in here and some other things underneath this will be shaded area. So there is another wonderful irrigation installation by yours truly, Les Jack Landscapes. Programmed for just a few minutes twice a day for these guys, because they'll go through the water quickly and they'll need a refresh, but only 15 minutes every other day for the perennials, because they need deeper water, even though this planter isn't that deep. And then the veggies also need just a few minutes twice a day to keep them moist and growing. There you have it, here in Brooklyn, New York, in the backyards of these apartments. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or anything I can be of assistance with.